Hi, my name's James. We're down at One Yoga Studios, and through this series we're going to start to break down what we've called the Asana Fundamentals. We're going to go through the building blocks of your asanas, breaking down positions like our plank, our down dog, all the way up into our Navasana and boat pose. We're going to go through positions like Sphinx, and we're going to break down the core fundamentals that build up these positions. So if you're struggling with the awareness of the core, you find you get certain pains or aches in certain areas like your neck or your back, and you're starting to wonder why that is, or you're struggling to hold your positions like plank, we're going to start to break down those building blocks to define where we need to start to build that strength, maybe that mobility or the awareness or control to be able to hold these positions. You can find this at the One Yoga Studios online, and we're going to go through, there's going to be a series of 9 videos here, and we'll break down this for you. Thank you.